Learn from Learning Box. Capital gain from long-term asset can be exempt from tax if invested in National Highway Authority of India's bonds. Deduction for donation is allowed for any assessee. Self-generated professional goodwill transfers do not result in capital gains. Sale consideration for capital asset transfer to partnership is based on book value. Indian companies with management outside India are considered resident in India. Customer value is the ratio of perceived benefit to resource used. Average rate of return does not consider time value of money. Risk in capital budgeting is related to cash flow variability. Cost of capital is helpful in analyzing source of finance. Equity shares have the highest cost of capital.